Jiminy crickets, this heat in the valley, I almost can't stand it. But you know what's been even hotter? The real estate market under $400,000, and guess what? I've got a listing that's just that coming up. Welcome to my latest listing off of 1500 West Bird Loop out in Nampa. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath home, just under 1,200 square feet, and let me share my 4 favorite features. Feature number 1, we've got an amazing backyard. It's one of the nicest that I've seen this year. Feature number 2, the low maintenance. It's got a brand new roof and vinyl siding. Feature number 3 is the location. It's centrally located in the South Nampa area, so it's close to shopping and freeway access. You just can't beat it. Number 4, it's a classic split bedroom floor plan, but yet it still feels cozy, and it's easy on the budget. So if you'd like to take a personal tour of this home, feel free to reach out to me at 208-412-0401. Until next time, guys, happy house hunting.